Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Display Settings, right-click on the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once done, make sure you identify which monitor is which, because you will apply changes per screen. Close heavy apps to avoid lag while adjusting resolution or scaling. You should also check that Windows 10 is not in tablet mode. That can change available options. Now select the display you want to change and get ready to adjust scale, resolution, and orientation in the next step. You will now adjust resolution and scale to balance clarity and readability. First, set scaling to the recommended percent or enter a custom value between 100 and 250 if text appears too small or large. Next, change the display resolution, pick the native resolution for sharpness, and if unsure, try the next lower option. Also check orientation, switch to portrait if you rotate a monitor. Make sure to click Apply and confirm changes, otherwise Windows will revert them automatically after a short timeout. Finally, fine-tune refresh rate and color by opening Advanced Display Settings. Higher refresh rates reduce motion blur, and color format affects accuracy. Once done, test apps and full-screen videos to confirm stability. If the screen freezes or goes black, restart the graphics driver with Win plus Control plus Shift plus B, and make sure to save work first. If problems continue, update or roll back your display driver in Device Manager. That often fixes mismatches between Windows and the GPU. One troubleshooting tip: try a different cable or port to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.